Meaning of functional.
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 Functional. The term functional refers to something that is specifically designed or intended to serve a practical purpose or fulfill a specific set of requirements, rather than being purely decorative or aesthetic. A functional item or system is expected to perform its intended task efficiently and effectively, often with an emphasis on ease of use and reliability. In summary, functional describes something that is designed with practicality and usefulness in mind, rather than just being visually pleasing.